design guys, the design guru guy here, back with another. So here's the thing, a lot of you have been reaching out to me about my tutorials, telling me they're a little too advanced, going too fast, it's hard to keep up. I totally get that, especially if you're a beginner. If you're having trouble following a video, it's okay to watch it again 10, 20, 30 times. Every time you watch one of my tutorials, you're going to be picking up new stuff. But since so many people are having a hard time keeping up, today I'm just going to slow it down, go back to the basics, hit you guys with some real beginner stuff. Today I'm going to go over what is a simple but really important thing to master, something a lot of you guys have been asking about, the difference between save and save as. Just so I have something here, I'm going to go ahead and create a real quick logo. Alright, there you go. So here it gets pretty tricky. Okay, let's say you've got your logo and you want to save it. If you're not all finished, there's really no point in going ahead and saving it. You want to wait till you're totally done before you hit save. Otherwise, you're kind of just cramming your hard drive full of space and really creating some serious lag on your CPU. So if I'm all done, I'm going to go to my file menu. Alright, as you can see, we've got save here, and right below it is save as. Now, since we haven't saved this file yet, the first one you always want to do on your first save is always going to be save. Always going to be save. Alright, now I'm going to pull down my file menu again. Since we already saved it, we can't save it again. So once you save something, you don't need to save it again, because you can't. So there's no point in even trying. There's no way to save it twice. That's why save as comes into play. To show you what save as is all about, I'm going to go ahead and click it. Looks pretty much the same as when we were working within save mode, but now we're working within save as mode. We're going to call this logo save as. So let's say I want to add a little star on top. Very cool. Okay, so if we're all done with this logo for the day, and only if we're all done, we're gonna hit our save as. I'm gonna go to the file menu. Now, a lot of you guys might be asking, why aren't you using some hotkeys? Look, you don't want to be hitting random keys and hoping that everything works out. Always go to this drop down menu and find the save as button. When you start working with hotkeys, they're just prone to a lot of mistakes. First of all, you gotta go into your database and set up every hotkey you want to use, which can take a lot of time. And unless you've done that already, hitting Command S isn't gonna do anything. Once you go into your mainframe and reset all your hotkeys, you're gonna have to do some database elimination services. That includes uninstalling your operating system and reinstalling an updated operating system that enables those hotkeys. So just go ahead and use the drop down menu, no mistakes. File, save as. Save is only used for the very first save. All other saves are gonna go to save as. That's why they made two saves. And since I made some adjustments, I want to give it a totally new title. Right on. So you can see right here, I've got all three different versions all saved. So to recap, save and save as are pretty much the same thing. They're pretty much interchangeable, except for maybe a couple little differences here and there. But for the most part, they're the same. And remember, the key is only use save as when you want to compress your file down to a more manageable file size that's a little bit less readable, which can be great. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to this, watch all the other videos and subscribe to them too. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment in the comment section right below and then hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Look forward to more tutorials because I got a whole bunch of more tutorials by the design guru guy coming out soon, so we've got you covered.